The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hardin County, Illinois, northern Polk County, Illinois, northeastern Johnson County, Illinois, southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, southern Saline County, Illinois, southwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:26 a.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Vienna, moving northeast
has issued a tornado warning for
this is a particularly dangerous situation.
Illinois, northern Polk
Take
County,
cover now.
Illinois, northeastern
Expected
Johnson
hazards
County,
include
Illinois,
a damaging tornado.
southeastern Williamson County,
This is a
Illinois,
radar
southern
indicated
Saline
threat.
County, Illinois,
The following
southwestern
effects are
Gallatin County,
expected.
Illinois.
You are in a
until
life-threatening
2:15 a.m.
situation.
At
Flying
1:26
debris may
a.m.,
be deadly
a
to those
large and
caught without
extremely
shelter.
dangerous tornado was located
Mobile homes
near
will be
Vienna,
destroyed.
moving northeast at 65
Considerable
miles per
damage
hour.
to homes,
This
businesses,
is a
and
particularly
vehicles is
dangerous
likely, and
situation.
complete destruction is
Take
possible.
cover now.
The tornado will be
Expected
near
hazards
Carrier
include a
Mills
damaging
and
tornado.
Harrisburg around 1:35
This is a
a.m.
radar indicated threat.
Quality around
The
1:45
following
a.m.
effects are expected.
El
You are in
Dorado
a
around
life-threatening
1:50 a.m.
situation.
Other locations
debris may
impacted
be
by
deadly
this
to those
tornadic
caught without
thunderstorm
shelter.
include Stone Ford,
Mobile
New
homes will be
Burnside,
destroyed.
Carver's Ridge,
Considerable
Gross,
damage to
Evo,
homes,
and Simpson.
businesses, and vehicles
This
is
includes
likely and
Interstate
complete
24 in
destruction is
Illinois
possible.
between mile markers
The
7 and
tornado will be
19.
near Carrier
To
Mills
repeat,
and
a
Harrisburg
large,
around
extremely
1:35 a.m.
dangerous and potentially deadly
Quality
tornado is
around
on the ground.
1:45 a.m.
To protect
El
your life,
Dorado around
take cover
1:50
now.
a.m.
Move to
Other
a basement
locations
floor and
impacted
carry
by
a
this
room on the
tornadic
lowest floor of a
thunderstorm
sturdy
include Stone
building.
Ford, New
Avoid
Burnside,
windows.
Carver's Ridge,
Keep
Gross,
your outdoors
Eddyville,
in a
and
mobile
Simpson.
home or in a
This
vehicle.
includes
Move to the
Interstate
closest
24 in
substantial
Illinois between
shelter
mile
and protect
markers
yourself
7
from
and 19. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. for